government has decided to drop the proposal to pre-install the Aadhaar app on smartphones after consultations with industry stakeholders. Officials indicated that the Ministry of Information Technology was not in favor of making such pre-installation mandatory, a position reached after discussions with electronics manufacturers. The proposal, originally put forward by UIDAI in January, had suggested embedding the biometric identification app into smartphones sold in India. However, no official reason was given for withdrawing the plan. Industry players, including major smartphone makers, had raised concerns over security risks, user data safety, and increased production costs. Companies also warned that separate assembly lines for India-specific devices could disrupt manufacturing and impact exports. Reports suggested that global manufacturers had flagged privacy and security issues, especially amid past criticisms of Aadhaar over alleged data leaks involving millions of users. This marks the sixth such proposal in the past 2 years to mandate pre-installed government apps, all of which have faced resistance from the industry. A similar directive in December to preload the Sanchar Sathi cybersecurity app was also rolled back following backlash over safety concerns. The government continues to maintain that Aadhaar systems are secure even as privacy advocates remain critical.